Hello, welcome to Chemistry Cooking.
Today we will be making a cake and telling you the chemistry about it.
Cakes have a series of chemical reactions, and to tell us more about this, we have scientist Sarah.
Hi guys! I'm going to tell you about how each ingredient is a reactant in the cake, and some make it rise and add support and flavor.
Here are some ingredients for today's cake.
Vegetable oil, baking powder, eggs, salt, vanilla.
Here we have our supercharged alkaline water, food coloring, frosting, and the cake that we will be making.
Whoa, flour seems pretty interesting. What does it do for the cake?
Well, flour in the oven expands and provides support for the cake and also gives it a light, fluffy texture.
I bet it does.
It's pretty great flour.
Oh no, we lost our baking soda. Can we use baking powder, Scientist Sarah?
I don't really think so, but we can try it just to see what happens.
Okay, well, do eggs also add a fluffy texture?
Exactly right, Tamera.
Yes, I was never that great at science.
Well, you're great now.
Oh my god.
Eggs also add support by creating air bubbles, which keep it from collapsing.
That's a chemical leavener, isn't it?
Yeah!
Whoa, I'm getting better and better.
What does salt do for the cake?
It adds flavor just like vanilla extract.
That's cool. Here's our supercharged alkaline water.
Careful, don't get electrocuted.
Yes, it has a pH of +9.
Whoa, I found our baking soda.
Great!
We should make another cake and see how that one turns out.
Great idea.
I guess the next one will have to turn out better since we found the right ingredient to use.
This cake is coming out quite nicely because we used the right baking soda.
The baking powder makes dough rise, and baking soda makes the dough spread out.
That's one of the reasons that this cake turned out pretty badly, and then this cake turned out pretty well. Both baking soda and powder are chemical leaveners, so that they both break down in moisture and give off carbon dioxide bubbles, which causes the batter to expand in the oven when it's heated.
Baking soda needs an acid to react to start reacting with, like butter or milk or vinegar.
It can also leave a metallic taste to the cake if too much is put in, leaving in unreacted.
Baking powder needs a liquid in the butter and heat in the oven to react.
You can also make baking powder with baking soda and cream of tartar.
Well, maybe we'll have to do that next time instead of making a failed cake.
Yeah. So this is the failed cake, and this is how the good cake turned out.
Adios!